In this video, we go snorkeling in Maui to see coral, tropical fish, and giant sea turtles underwater. We are in Maui on vacation, and we are taking a tour on the Kai Kanani II, a nice catamaran that takes off from the south shore of Maui. The first part of the cruise involves a trip to this island called Molokini. This is an island that is formed by a partially submerged crescent-shaped volcanic crater. It's like a giant bowl in the middle of the ocean, filled with coral formations and tropical fish. No sharks, hopefully. If Gabi looks nervous, this is because this is the first time she's ever gone snorkeling in her life. What a trooper. We walk down the steps into the ocean. They give you snorkeling gear, as well as boogie boards and flotation belts to stay afloat. It was an awesome experience. I was able to get some great footage underwater, especially as I got closer to the coral formations.
No, I needed to be different.
Okay, that was nice, huh? Did you get to see the yellow fish?
I saw the black ones too.
The black ones are here, honey. Are the blue ones the hoo hoo?
The water was very clear, and you were able to swim over the coral and see a variety of tropical fish there. We swam out to the edge of the caldera against the cliffs, but we were still within the volcanic crater, and then we swam parallel alongside the cliffside. We're in the middle of the ocean, so the waves can swell and the current can take you away, but the caldera protects you from all of that. They warned us not to swim too far from the island's protective barrier. Gabi did really well. She was a trooper, she swam well, clung to her boogie board, and the instructor was able to teach her how to use her mask and her snorkel to see the fish and breathe underwater. I tried swimming without a flotation belt and quickly found that it was very difficult, so I ended up using the flotation belt and the boogie board the whole time we were there. Legend has it that Molokini was, in their myth, in Hawaiian myth, she was a beautiful woman that fell in love with the same man as the goddess Pele had fell in love with, so it was a love triangle. So the jealous god Pele turned her rival into stone and cut her in half. Terrible, huh? After snorkeling, they provided us with lunch on the catamaran and allowed us to catch our breath before the second part of the cruise. For the second part of the cruise, the catamaran brought us back to Maui onto a beach where we were able to swim with sea turtles. The water was not as clear as it was on Molokini, but we ran into several turtles. I swam out from the boat, and the first turtle I spotted was this huge turtle. It was just resting at the bottom of the seafloor. You're allowed to swim close to them, but you have to give them space and definitely try not to touch them and try not to step on them. We also saw a few smaller turtles. This one, I got it caught swimming from the bottom of the seafloor to the surface, and it was fun swimming with them. This was an awesome experience. I think the location that they had us swimming with the turtles was very close by to our hotel, so I took note to myself to try to snorkel on the beach of our hotel later on our vacation. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click like, comment, or subscribe. I've got other videos on my channel that you might enjoy. Some of our family vacations are shown on my family fun playlist, and I've got also some other action videos from some of my favorite hobbies like kayak fishing, mountain biking, snowboarding. Thanks for watching.